Hi everybody, it's Larry here from MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, Florida. Today I'm standing on this 2025 Grady-White 306 Canyon. The largest 30-footer in its class, extremely stable and dry, soft ride with the SV2 hull from Grady. Very unique ride. And today we're going to go over some features of this boat. We're going to start with the power plant in the back. This boat is equipped with twin 350 horse Yamaha outboards with electric steering, full maneuverability, which is a joystick control, and digital throttles. Extremely nimble boat, fuel efficient, has a 296 gallon fuel capacity, so this has extreme range, especially in Northeast Florida. If you want to go out and fish for marlin, mahi, get past the ledge, no problem at all. Starting at the back, we've got a freshwater pull-out shower, a giant fish box here, fully insulated, and it drains overboard, so there's no need for macerator pumps to empty out the fish box. This boat's also equipped with freshwater and raw water washdown hose connections at the transom as well. Makes it really easy to clean this boat. At the leaning post, we've got a giant live well here. So if you're a live bait fisherman, bottom fish, kingfish, you can hold tons of pogies in here, any types of live bait that we've got in Northeast Florida, blue runners, goggle eyes, anything you need. Freshwater sink here with a pull-out shower. So we've got freshwater shower at the transom, also at the leaning post. You'll find tons of storage here with tackle boxes built right in. And down below we've got plier keeper, lure keeper, something for your knives. Same thing here up on the rocket launcher at the leaning post. Keeps all your tackle nice and organized. Really cool boat to fish out of. We've got a dive door on the side, on the port side, which makes it nice and easy to get off at the dock. Or if you're diving offshore, there's a dive ladder that attaches right here to make it easy to get in and out of the boat. One of the things you'll notice is how high the gunnel is. Gets up here about your upper thigh, real nice and stable and safe and secure when you're in the boat. There's tow rails here all around on both sides. So if you're gaffing a fish or leaning over to work a dock line or something like that, you're nice and safe and secure. Let's step on up to the helm here, which is absolutely massive. You're going to notice these two really nice captain's chairs with flip down bolsters and flip up armrests. Super comfortable. And I'm a big guy and I've got a ton of room right here at the helm. We've got tilt steering, so you can get that steering wheel in whatever position is comfortable for you. And all your controls are right here at the helm. You got your throttles, the joystick for maneuvering at the dock, and this boat is also equipped with a bow thruster as well. So you want to talk about being able to really have a lot of control at the dock between the bow thruster and the joystick. It doesn't get any better than that. You've got a huge area up here for displays. You can mount twin 16-inch displays up here and still have room for flush-mounted VHF radios if you like. All your switches right here and accessible at the helm, along with the stereo. We've got a charging port, USB and C for your phones, 12 volt as well, digital Yamaha gauges, which will also integrate into any display that you choose. One of the neat things about this hardtop is the life jacket storage up top. Keeps your life jackets nice and handy and also out of the way. And then you've got an electronics box up here that's lockable. Plenty of room for personal items. You're going to notice high quality gas shocks that are stainless steel. No plastic on this Grady-White when it comes to hardware. Nice and secure. One of the other features this boat has is up top, we've got a shade that comes out electronically. Gives you some nice shade back at the transom for those days when you're just cruising around or fishing, it rains, it's just hot. It's great to get out of the sun a little bit. We're going to take a look at the head compartment here. This boat has a full marine head with overboard discharge, and dockside pump out. Wait till you see how much room is down there. It's absolutely massive. You also have a freshwater sink and shower down below, as well as a ton of storage. As we move forward, you're going to pass this really nice glass windshield. Protects you from the glare, from the elements, and you've got a windshield wiper with fresh water to rinse off that salt spray during the day to give you nice clear vision. Up at the bow, we've got two giant insulated fish boxes that can be used for dry storage. They can be used as a cooler, obviously fish boxes as well. And they drain overboard. You can just hose them out. There's no macerator pumps needed at all. As we go to the very bow, we're going to get to the windlass here, which has controls up front. Also have controls at the helm. But one really nice feature about Grady-White is that you can lift this seat to get all the way up here and have access. Whereas a lot of boats, this is a fixed position and you have to be on your knees to get up to tie lines or work the windlass. With this boat, you can walk forward and get all the way up to the front. This locks down. This is all cushioned right here. Makes for a really nice, comfortable seating area. We've got these backrests, which swing out of the way when you're fishing, but they're ergonomically designed. When you get in these, you'll notice they're nice and angled for correct support as opposed to straight up and down. Makes for a very, very comfortable ride. Another neat feature is the raw water and freshwater hose connections. Raw water over here on the port side, fresh water on the starboard side, so you can rinse the boat down from the bow area. You can also use it to shower off if you're just at the sandbar. It's a really, really neat item on this beautiful Grady-White. One last point about Grady. This boat drains overboard. Nothing drains into the bilge. The cup holders, the cleats, the rod holders are plumbed to drain onto the deck and out the scuppers in the back. So there's no way to get water in the bilge of this boat, which is really important, especially if you've got it outside in the wet slip like my Grady. You don't have to worry about it when it rains. If you got any questions about this boat or would like to take it out on a sea trial, give me a call at 904-545-5310. Thank you.